Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the triangle. The triangle is another highly popular and important shape in our world. Students need to be given many opportunities to engage with the triangle and to see how it appears in so many places in real life. A triangle is a three-sided flat shape. The three sides are straight lines. Hence, the triangle has three angles, as the name suggests. Students can be asked to trace the shape of the triangle and the word triangle. Students can be asked to share their experiences of the triangle in real life. They can be asked to name examples of triangular shapes and to say where they have seen these shapes. Just a simple exercise, students could be asked to decorate the triangles with colours. So obviously they'd be picking that one, and they'd do their own special decorations. They can be asked to draw pictures with triangles in them. These are just three examples. So it's a good idea to provide students with examples similar to these so they know what is expected of them. Just some simple exercises. They can be asked to name some items that contain triangles in the classroom, their home, the playground, the shopping centre, and so on. And it's always important when we give topics to students, as much as possible we should discuss the relevance of these things in real life. So as far as triangles are concerned, we have the important roof truss in building, very important street signs, bridges. These triangles here are very necessary to support the bridge. And this is a set square which is used in schools, for drawings and straight lines, etc. And builders too have different types of set squares that they use. So this video has introduced students to triangles, and we've looked at some examples in real life.